Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding yourself and laying tools out within reach. This reduces slips. First, remove the exterior SSD cover and the 2 small screws beneath it using T8. Once done, flip the console and remove the rubber feet. Use a sharp fingernail or spudger to pry gently. Make sure to store screws in an ordered tray. You're setting up a clean sequence. These initial removals expose the hidden fasteners that let you separate the shell without damaging clips. You now focus on the tricky middle, the plastic clips. After removing visible screws, slide a thin spudger into the seam at the rear and lift gently toward the front to disengage the first clip. Once one side pops, work clockwise, releasing each clip sequentially. This prevents uneven stress. Use small, incremental pressure and recheck for missed screws if you feel sharp resistance. Make sure to keep track of the internal foam shims. Some are adhesive and need to be peeled slowly to avoid tearing. You finish by lifting the top shell from the rear, angling it back so vents clear without bending. If a ribbon cable tethers the board, use tweezers to lift its latch and slide the cable out. Do not yank. Once free, set the shell aside on a soft cloth. If the shell won't budge, stop and recheck every screw and clip location. If clips are sticky, apply 1 or 2 drops of 90% plus isopropyl at the seam, and let it seep before prying gently to avoid breaking plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.